BEC Systems Integration Limited know what makes a robust supply chain. With over 25 years of experience and a global customer base, we are a leading supplier of fully automated data capture solutions, specifically created with warehouse management, manufacturing, and maintenance and inspection processes in mind. Using state-of-the-art technology from market-leading vendors such as Honeywell, Zebra, and DataLogic, we deliver enriched operational intelligence and increased productivity through real-time data-driven communications. With scanning, mobile computing, and voice technology at their core, our data capture solutions connect your people with the essential assets and information they need to work smarter and faster.
The console that gives us the information on all the picks and packs and things that are happening in the warehouse has given us a wealth of information that we didn't have before.
Our customers gain real-time visibility within their operations and achieve valuable insights from data-rich reporting tools and dashboards.
Colour?
Color is cerise.
Our cutting-edge voice technology, RF scanning, and mobile computing solutions all integrate seamlessly into any host system, increasing accuracy and efficiency without disrupting existing supply chain practices. Our clients, from SMEs to blue-chip brands, within a range of vertical markets and operational environments, have enjoyed growth and a rapid return on investment from significant increases in accuracy, productivity, and loss reductions enabled by our solutions. Due to a highly trained, experienced, and knowledgeable team of experts, we can provide a comprehensive and unrivaled end-to-end ERP integration service, from initial consultation right through to after-sales support.
I was very sceptical about choosing voice to go forward with it, as it was a large investment for a small company like us. Very quickly, after only 8 weeks, I can see it's been one of the best choices I've ever made.
To find out how BEC can help improve efficiencies within your supply chain, manufacturing, or maintenance and inspection processes, visit becsi.co.uk.